What is good, guys? You already know it's your girl. Oh, damn, there's something in my eye. There's something in my eye. There's something in my eye. Did I get it? Alright. Now I gotta start all over. What is good, guys? You already know it's your girl. Can't come back to another motherfucking YouTube video. There's something literally in my eye. You already know it's your girl King coming back at you.
Something is wrong with us. Something wrong with us. Something wrong with us.
With another motherfucking YouTube video. Alright, well, what is good, guys? You already know it's your girl King coming back at you with another motherfucking YouTube video. I'm back with another reaction video. Did you miss me? I hope you missed me. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Turn on post notifications and give this video a big ass like because I'm here. If you haven't seen my recent videos, go watch my recent videos for me one time for the one time. Go watch my vlogs. Go watch my talking videos. Go watch my reading lyrics video. You guys will be getting a reading lyrics video soon. Don't worry about it. I'm grounded right now. Just give me a chance. Bear with me. But Pontiac done did a damn reaction. Fuck. Pontiac made DDG done dropped a new video. It's called Bank. And I actually did a video to it. On Twitter. So make sure you guys follow me on Twitter. I give my shout outs at the end of my vlogs on my Twitter. So go on over, go on to my Twitter. Yeah, go to Twitter, you know what I'm saying? And go retweet some stuff. Go show love. You know what I'm saying? Alright, let's get into this video. I'm talking too much. So it's called Bank by DDG. This is on World Star Hip Hop if you want to see it without me cutting and chopping. Because I gotta cut and chop. Because I gotta cut and chop. Alright, let me focus. Alright, let's go. Let's get it. Like this video right now. Right now. Pause it, like it. Right now. Pause. Like it. Let's go. Let's get it. Oh! Okay. Wait. Before, whoa. We just got started and the first thing you see is some booty. I like it.
Okay.
Kennedy, what's good, boo?
Let's talk about this money, nigga. Cut to it. I got bank.
Yo, all these fine girls in this video, cuz. Yo, where you get these girls from, DDG? Where you get these girls from, B? Where you find them? They hot.
Hey, I be all about the cash. Care less about some ass. Sunny niggas deep nash splash. 100 imps on a dash fast. All the broke niggas hate me. Didn't use.
Woo! Look at Kennedy and DDG, bro. Looking like the power couple of YouTube. The next Chris and Queen, bro. The next Chris and Queen. I'm just joking out there, yo. The only reason why I know this beat is because I seen the preview for it. And I've seen it, so it made me want to do a reaction to it. Because it's just go. Makes me want to get some money.
Shoot women from Haiti, make me have to take it off safety. Crazy, bad bitch, she Hispanic. But she nice, don't panic. And her ass gigantic. Real bitch, organic. Splash, wet. I told you my nigga, my wrist.
Splash, wet.
Speeding the beat might give me a ticket. Financial statements be looking terrific. I finesse on the cash, put racks in the bank. Backwoods full of dank stank. Henny coke for the drink. They wanna be my. I'm
not even gonna hold you. This is Inox. Cause I was walking around my house saying banks for no apparent reason, bro. This you're not.
DDG in the zone, money on my phone. I'm rich, I'm home.
This nigga think he can sing? DDG think he can sing?
Same nigga from the yak, but I ain't never going back. Penthouse, 5 racks stacked. DDG on my neck, pack 4K on the stoop. All my shit brand new. I be rapping by these hoes, low key I got bang.
Oh, do y'all see the ass in this video? They're going to lick my screen like, hey, Miss Parker.
ATL for the show. Meet and greet with your bitch, shit, she keep knocking on the door. My homie hit, then we switch sticks, sippin' Henny, no vodka. And your bitch call me.
But that nigga McQueen, yo, whose booty is that? She probably not gonna show her face because she been shaking her ass and her mom probably done seen this goddamn video.
Papa, I ain't got time for no drama. Bank account got commas. Music blew overnight. Hate niggas wanna fight like, hey yo man, this the pipe. And she wanna stay night sight.
It's cute how DDG got his joint up in here. Y'all cute. Or whatever.
Labels they call cause they see a nigga home. But I'm all about my bank. Can you offer me a nigga? I got bang, 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 bang. Hey, I got.
These rappers are only gonna make money if it's repetitive, bro. I'm telling you, like, it's only sticking in my head because it's repetitive. I'm about to drop it. I'm dropping something. I'm telling y'all, y'all ready? Y'all ready?
Bang, 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 bang. Hey, I finesse on the cash, put racks in the bank, backwoods.
No funny. Him singing, I fucks with it. Like, I like his little my name is Mace. I like that. I really like that.
Stank, stank, he come for the drink. They wanna be my clone. DDG in the zone. Money on my phone. I'm rich, I'm home.
He's smart. He know what he doing. I like that. Y'all like that? If you was feeling this video, make sure you give this video a big ass thumbs up just because I showed up, if you know what I'm saying. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Yo, my personal opinion on this video, I liked it. It was dope. It was valuable, you know? Like, I really fuck with DDG, so it was nothing bad about this video. Him and Kennedy look cute. Him and his friends vibing out on the water, having a good time. I fucks with it. Shout out to DDG, man. This was a good video. Keep grinding, bro. I see you. I'm gonna see you on that big stage, bro. Bang, 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 bang. I got bang. Alright, I'm out of here, man. Like this video. Like it right now and share it. Share it right now. Share it. Go ahead. Share it. Come on. Share it. Alright, man. I'm out of here. Peace, love, and happiness. Make sure you guys stay black.
Get up with you, baby, right, girl.